My new diamond painting all ready to go. So what I do when I get started is I will lay on the bottom left, that's just my preference, and I will put down on this edge something to keep it straight and something on this edge to keep it straight. So I'll use an ID card or a ruler, and then something along the top line up here too. That's what keeps it the straightest. So that's a good tip for that. I use my ID. So the first thing you need to do before you get started is order your beads, lay them out on this 1 to 50. Make sure you have all of the numbers on this chart. So if there are 50 numbers, you need 50 different baggies, and make sure the quantities seem roughly about the same. For the amount. So say you had a baggie with like 15 in it, you'd make sure there's a little bit over 15. So that's the quantity. This is the DMC in case you need to order more. This is the symbol that you'll be looking for on the canvas. So there's all these different symbols that you'll look for. And this is the baggie number. So if you see an O, so this is an O, it's going to be bag number 23. So then everywhere that I'd find an O, I would just place a diamond. What I do for storage is I will take baggies 1 through 10 and put them in a bigger Ziploc baggie. That way I can search through the Ziploc baggies quickly. So I have 5 different big Ziploc baggies with 1 through 10, 11 through 20, 21 through 30, 31 through 40, and then 41 through 50, and so on, just however many colors I have, so that it's easy access. So what you do to get started includes this kit right here. You take this pen, okay? You can also use the tweezers. The tweezers are easier for being more precise. Anyways, you take the pen. I'm getting it out right now, that's why it's dark, but then you peel back this wax, okay? You'll dip the pen, okay? Not too hard that it'll flatten, but just enough to fill that tip right there. And then you will take these diamonds and you will put it in this little tray. Shake the tray so that the flat side is down and the diamond shape is facing up. Then tilt it back so that most of the beads kind of trail back. You'll pick up a diamond with the wax-filled pen, and you'll place it down. So what I do with my ID is after I do this first row with this, I leave it here, then just use my ID, and I have like 5 or 6 of these trays, so I'll look through each column at a time and determine which colors I'll need, and I will just take the colors one at a time going up this row. And I'll show you a video of that when I get started on mine later tonight.